Hey, pay attention. This is yours. Most important thing, keep your finger off the trigger at all times, unless you need to shoot somebody. When that happens,
3170, we're being held up.
hold it until you run dry.
Dispatch, we are under heavy fire.
Keep your eyes open. Every cop in the country is going to be looking for us.
Big Nick, original gangsta cop in the flesh.
What's your tally?
4 dead, 6 on the way to the hospital.
I take it he's a bad guy. I'm gonna make you a deal. Give me the names of all the guys that got away. I'll get you a medic.
I ain't no snitch.
Yo,
He's done, son.
we got a problem. It's major crimes. Get to know your enemy, boys. Every big-time crew has been busted. These are the guys who took them down.
Gangbangers, these are not. Whoever it is, they're addicted to heists.
Anybody moves, you shoot them. You understand?
Sooner or later, they'll need their fix.
You good? Yeah, man. We good.
Change of plans. We're trading up. The Federal Reserve. It's like Fort Knox. At any one time, there's anywhere between $500 and $800 billion in there. Every millimeter of it covered by cameras, sensors, and motion detectors. Stand across the street and stare at the building for 2 minutes, you have security on your ass. Only bank that's never been robbed. That's why we're gonna rob it.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear ya, 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 ya. Man down.
We gotta move. You know what this means? It means I am a member of a gang. Only we have badges, which means you are done.
I'm on vest.
Do we look like the types who'll arrest you?
Might want to put that seatbelt on.
Put you in handcuffs, drag you down to the station? We just shoot you. Boom. You're not the bad guys. We are.
Seem like the whole city go against me.